Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. To take a screenshot in Windows, you either have to use the combination of three keys on your laptop, which are Windows, Shift and S buttons pressed simultaneously, like this. This will open the bar at the top of your screen, a toolbar, which I'm gonna show you later. Or alternatively, you can press F12 button. However, if you see the light glowing in the top right corner of your FN key, that means that your function keys are locked, and to unlock them you have to press FN and Shift buttons simultaneously. And once you see the light stops glowing, that light stopped glowing above your FN key, you can press F12 by itself. But if you want to keep your things this way, you have to hold down the FN button and press F12 along with it. And this will also open the screenshot toolbar. Now, how to use this toolbar? So, first of all, we have four different types of screenshot. We have a window screenshot, rectangular screenshot, we have full screen screenshot, which I accidentally just taken. And now let's start with the rectangular one. So to take a rectangular screenshot, we have to use this crosshair to select an area of the screen that we want to take a screenshot of. Now we can also use an additional tool by clicking right here that will let us make quick drawings or notes, take quick notes on the screenshot itself, on the area that we want to screenshot. So if you want to, you can enable these tools, and then once you select an area on your screen, you'll be able to use them right here on this bar. And then click capture to capture a screenshot. You will see this thumbnail or notification in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will let you see the preview of the screenshot that you've taken. And if you want to find the screenshot itself, you're gonna have to go to the File Explorer and go to Pictures folder, and then go to Screenshots. And here is it. Here is the screenshot that we just took. Now the following screenshot mode is the window screenshot, and to take a window screenshot we're gonna have to select a window, which I don't currently not have any windows opened. So let's open a window and select window screenshot, then just navigate or hover over your window and click on it. Now this will take a screenshot of the window itself. It looks like this. So now let's go to the following one, which is a full screen screenshot. You have already seen me capturing this one. So you just select this option and the screenshot is taken immediately. And it's a screenshot of the full screen of your device. And the Freeform screenshot is just a screenshot that lets you just draw a shape of a screenshot, so you can make a particular selection of what you want to take a screenshot of. And once you've finished, just release the left key of your mouse and the screenshot will look somewhat like this. And once again, all the screenshots are available in Pictures, Screenshots. Here they are. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.